Hey there, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations. Welcome to our latest project. This is our Australian Staycation with great coastal vibes, and I'm going to give you a bit of a tour and show you around the home. So come along. Partnering with Reece on this project was fantastic because their products and their help meant we could really bring our vision to life. And if you're renovating or building new, get them involved early. Reece have some fantastic tools and templates to help with your planning. So welcome to the ensuite of anyone's dreams. I mean, really, the sheer size and scale of this room is such a luxury. And in terms of the feature moment, it's right in front of me here, which is this bath. We actually really designed the whole space around this moment. And you can see here those other colors have been picked up on this major statement wall where our vanity is. We've got these gorgeous tiles that are throwing cool tones and warm tones. And that's why these mixed materials work. You know, our tapware is quite a glossy gold finish. We've got the nice long double vanity, always a luxury in an ensuite, and this really nice oval shaped basins. And behind either side of the wall, we've got the shower that side and the toilet that side. But as far as ensuites go, honestly, you just don't want to leave here. It's so luxurious. And here's the guest bathroom, just next to the guest bedroom. And we've gone for some strong hotel vibes in here because when you have guests, like who doesn't want to feel like they're in a hotel? And then we've got this great vanity with the off-centered basin and organic shaped mirror. And the great thing about these vanities are they're very customizable to a different finish and color. We've used this one a few times, we just love it. Into the boys' room. I absolutely love that the first thing you see is this pedestal basin. And the shaving cabinet just fits beautifully in line with what's underneath it. And it's got storage, of course. But I think the best part is what's over here, which is the shower. When I'm dry, I mean, really, you don't need many words for this one. Look at that. But this is a dream. So the kitchen of this home has this huge island feature. And to match that over at the sink, we went with a super chunky tap. I don't think I've seen a tap bigger than this in a kitchen before. And my favorite part of this tap is that it's got this pull down feature, which is so practical. You are the real thing. And a butler's pantry or kitchen, of course. And I love this cute little sink. Gorgeous gold taps. Affordable they are, and I love these little casement windows. My favorite room, the laundry. I mean, such an amazing space. We've got the double washers and dryers, which is amazing. Got our tapware over here, again, the bright gold to tie in with the rest. I'd be wanting to do way more washing if I had this type of a laundry. And when you're choosing all the pieces for your home, if you've got a statement piece in mind, like maybe something like this or that big round bath, make sure you place your orders early because they can have longer lead times and you don't want to hold up your project. Jump on their website or visit one of their stores today.